If you work with cleaning chemistry, you've probably heard the term surfactant thrown around. If you've ever wondered what that means, stick around, because today we're going to be talking about what a surfactant is, how it works, and talk about how it's used in practical applications like cleaning. So first, what's a surfactant? Well, in general, a surfactant is a class of chemical compounds that has the ability of lowering the surface tension of a liquid. They also have the ability to form structures that we call micelles, which help in the solubilization of oils and greases. Now, there's a lot of applications from a chemical that has these properties. In your house, you're probably aware of surfactants that are in your dish soap or your shampoo that help with cleaning. But what about the emulsifiers in your food that make products like mayonnaise possible, or surfactants in herbicides and pesticides that can improve their effectiveness by allowing them to spread out easier? Surfactants are everywhere. Now, let's talk about how they work. Surfactants are molecules that are typically composed of two chemically different halves, a hydrophobic or water-hating end and a hydrophilic or water-loving end. The hydrophobic end is a non-polar functional group that repels water and interacts with oils and greases. They're usually made of long-chain hydrocarbons. Here's an example of a common surfactant called sodium dodecyl sulfate, or sodium lauryl sulfate. You see that long chain of carbon atoms on the left? That's the hydrophobic end. Now, the hydrophilic end is normally an ionic or polar group that tends to have stronger interactions with water. In this example, the sulfate group with the negative charge on the right is the polar hydrophilic end. These compounds work to reduce the surface tension of a liquid by accumulating at the air-solvent interface. In water, for example, the hydrophilic end sticks down into the water, and the hydrophobic end sticks out and disrupts the forces that are holding the water molecules together, effectively reducing the surface tension. When in solution, surfactants also form what are called micelles, which look like little balls in solution. The hydrophobic ends gather in the center, and the hydrophilic tails stick out towards the water. These micelles can trap oil and greases inside the micelle, allowing them to be rinsed away much easier. In electronics manufacturing, surfactants are a critical part of the formulation to make sure that the cleaning chemistry can get underneath those low standoff components and solubilize those hard-to-clean residues. Alright, if you like that content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can also click that bell icon to be notified of future videos. If you have any questions about surfactants, you can leave them in the comments below, or send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again, and stay clean.